Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to mark yourself out of office on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to create an out of office time, and to do so you will need to go to the create button. You click on it, you will find out of office. Then you set up your out of office time by setting up a title if you want, but the most important thing is to set a time. So basically you are going to click on the time. You can make it for the whole day, and of course you can choose the times where you want to be out of office, and of course you can make it repeating each day or anything that you want. Give it a frequency, and this is the most important thing if you want to add it. Either you want to decline the meetings when you are invited to them or not, and basically you can choose either to decline the new meetings or the new in the existent meeting. And basically you can also set up a time for a whole week, for example, like that, by dragging your mouse, by dragging and holding click on your calendar, and then make it out of office time and click on save. And as you can see, you are going to decline the meetings during this time. And basically by doing these steps, you are going to create your out of office time successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.